Selling your Shopify store doesn't have to feel like handing over a tangled mess. Let's untangle the process with this simple guide to a smooth ownership transfer. First, log into your Shopify admin account. Then navigate to the settings option usually found at the bottom left of your screen. Click on it to access your store settings. Now, in the settings menu, find and click on users and permissions. This is where you'll manage staff accounts and begin the ownership transfer. Locate the transfer ownership button. It's at the top right of your screen. Click it. You will be prompted to select a new owner. Choose the new owner from the staff list or add them as staff now. Carefully review the new owner's details. Be aware that after the transfer, they will have full control of the store, including financial information. Then click the transfer ownership button. After the transfer is complete, it's a good idea to contact Shopify support to confirm the changes and update any billing information associated with your account. Visit the Help Center to learn more. Remember to provide the new owner with a complete inventory of all digital assets, like themes, apps, and marketing materials. Make sure you transition any social media accounts, email lists, and other external channels. Finally, offer a post-transfer support period to answer questions and ensure a seamless transition. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your Shopify store.